Apayao is one of the most northern provinces in the whole of the Philippines and is part of the Cordillera Administrative Region of Luzon. Apayao is a mountainous province covered in woodlands, with large rivers that cross the land, their waters forming gently rolling valleys and large open plains. The province is comprised of 7 municipalities: Calanasan, Conner, Flora, Cabugao, Luna, Pudol, and Santa Marcela, each one offering a unique, enriching experience. Apayao is a land rich in natural wonders, timeless vistas, and majestic beauty. Explore the lands and the sights and experience an adventure like none other. One of the most convenient ways to reach Apayao is via Tuguegarao Airport, which is just an hour flight from Manila. The airport is situated in the neighboring province of Cagayan, and from the airport, it's just a few hours to get to Apayao. An ideal place to stay while visiting Apayao is at the Apayao Ecotourism and Sports Complex. The complex is quiet and relaxing, surrounded by nature. It is a haven of peace and tranquility. There are several charming cottages available, which are suitable for the whole family. Each are complete with a living room and kitchen, and catering is also available. Apayao Ecotourism Sports Complex is one of the centers of the community, a bastion of ecological tourism and endowed with many facilities which you can make use of during your stay. Apayao is a province rich in ecology and adventure. Its natural beauty is just waiting to be explored. Wade through rivers, ride native boats, and enter the realms of the jungle. Trek through dense thickets and trees, past breathtaking scenery. Squeeze through pillars of towering rock. Slither through gray titans, and explore the intriguing landscape, which is the Marag Rock Formations, which are amongst some of the most striking rock formations in the land. Embark upon a subterranean odyssey. Discover the hidden treasures of the Manacota's underground river. Travel through its chambers which brim with stalactites and stalagmites, and swim in the hidden pool within. Continue the adventure on to Lusok Caves, a multi-chambered cave with equally impressive rock formations and crystal-clear underground creek that discharges onto a blue lagoon. Experience the beautiful vistas created by water. See the triple cascading waterfalls of Buyagao Falls, which are only a short trip from Poblacion. Enjoy Nagan River, one of the cleanest rivers in the land, renowned for its crystal-clear, refreshing waters and a popular thoroughway for boaters. Picnic alongside Maton River, whose waters are also perfect for kayaking and boating. Its waters run past striking vertical rock walls, which are a dream for rock climbers. Boat along the surface of Bakut Lake and take in and behold the wonder that is nature. The lake is truly picturesque, and the sound of nature reverberate throughout the air. The lake is a haven for wildlife, a place where time seems to stand still, a fisherman's paradise, and a nature enthusiast's dream. Apayao is also a place rich in history, home to Spanish church ruins, which are a window into its colorful past. Apayao is a place of culture. Discover the rich cultural heritage of the Isnag people. Their skilled craftsmanship and wealth of tradition are a rare treasure in this modern world. The Isnag people live throughout the region, but are most prevalent in the upper half of Apayao, particularly along the Apayao and Abulog river systems. They are known for their bright, colorful, and distinctive garb, which are meticulously hand-woven. Their handmade woven fabrics are a most sought-after commodity by tourists and locals alike. On February 14, 1995, the province of Kalinga-Apayao was separated into the two separate provinces, Kalinga and Apayao. Every year, during the week of February the 14th, the province celebrates its founding with the Sai-Am Festival, which is held in the municipality of Luna. The festival is also a celebration of thanksgiving for the bountiful harvest, to health, to nature, and a celebration of all the festivals of the municipalities in the province. See the dance troops sway through the streets of Luna, the administration capital of Apayao. The streets become awash with color and music, the dancers gracefully flowing down the streets as a torrent of color and action. Moving to the beat of the music and in unison, the dance scene is lively and entertaining, and certainly one of the highlights of the festival. There are floats galore. Each municipality's float showcasing what makes their municipality unique. A celebration of civic pride to revel in. Treat yourself to one of the many cultural presentations spread throughout the week. Each municipality showcasing its unique heritage and offering a chance for all to share in their customs and culture. Discover the wealth of culinary knowledge the people of Apayao have to offer. The flavors and tastes of Apayao are truly diverse, and they are gifted with a unique culinary identity, which is both wholesome and honest. The festival also offers a chance to indulge in all things indigenous. The Indigenous Olympics are home to all manner of strange events, from stilt racing and native archery, to sack racing, and tug of war. A real menagerie of games. Enjoy in the camaraderie and high spirits of all the different municipalities coming together in competitive spirits to forge new bonds and perpetuate their traditions in a light-hearted manner. And of course, one of everybody's favorite event is Miss Dayag di Apayao, the search for Apayao's most beautiful. Another highlight of the festival is the agro-tourism and trade fair. Each municipality showcases their natural produce and handicraft, bringing you the best of the province's goods conveniently in one location. The province is a keen supporter of organically grown vegetables and rich in natural products, such as mouth-watering honeys and jams. The province is also an abundant producer of coffee, organic rice, wine, and cocoa beans. Another favorite among tourists and locals alike is basi, a strong alcoholic beverage derived from sugarcane. Of course, don't forget their beloved cassava cake, a sweet, delectable dessert particularly famous to the area and a popular export. Apayao abounds with ecological adventure, just waiting to be experienced, and home to enchanting scenery just waiting to be discovered. Immerse yourself in Apayao's rich culture and heritage, and try some of their finest produce. Visit, explore, adore. You won't be disappointed.